What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today, I've got something a little bit different for you. I'm going to give back to you a little bit by giving you a whole collection of graphic tools, video overlays and whatnot, because I've told you multiple times that I was going to release these VHS overlays and the glitch effects which I used in previous videos, but I never got around to doing it, mainly because I didn't prepare the assets. But now that I've hit 500 subscribers, I thought actually guys are actually starting to like take notice, and I thought why not release it now? It'll be a good time to celebrate, and I think it's worthwhile. In the pack I'm going to give away the glitch effects. A lot of these I've customly made so that you guys, you know, you don't have to buy the glitch app so it works, which is good because the app's quite expensive when you total up everything. So I'll release quite a few of those, and then also some tools that I use for my edits as well, like the just VHS overlays, graphic packs that are really, you know, set you up really as a videographer. But I just want to say thank you for subscribing and tuning in. YouTube can be quite a long crawl to get yourself an audience, so I just want to thank everyone who's subscribed so far, and that I will be, you know, keeping it going. So yeah, thanks guys, and I hope you enjoy the pack. Let me know what you use it in. Be sure to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.